And see what goes on the DockDogs fascinated by our sophisticated scoring system. We're going to get Ricochet, the golden retriever. Ricochet, get your tails in your... Bensonville, Illinois with his 5-year-old golden retriever. I think this dog's a big jump. There we go. Well, I tell you, you guys standing up. Golden retriever, currently in second place in his bigger wave with a first jump of 22 feet 10 inches, trailing only to a jump of 28 feet 4 inches. And you say, well, you got a 5-year-old, almost 6-year-old dog jumping against a much younger dog. Still a big jump. Something went wrong on there. Scott didn't seem. All right, you have a minute and a half to get your dog into the water. We don't push, pull, toss, throw, kick, shove. Otherwise, get the dog in the water other than their own. This is an extreme vertical, that aluminum apparatus you see hanging out over the end of the dock. We call that the doggy high jump for extreme vertical. Here we go. We're going to have Ricochet come. And good pop. With his 5-year-old golden retriever. Scott made it all the way down. He's from the Chicagoland DockDogs group. Been helping out quite a bit this weekend. We always appreciate the help from all our fellow competitors, regardless of where they're from or what kind of dog they have. There's a good chance to top. Back to the top of the order of Group 1. You guys back there, make sure your dogs are dry. Get your stretching and your pre-dog routine to go. Here we go. We're going to see some chase technique.